A lot of people, I think, on the using AI badly, which is maybe the over reliance on AI, and then the hesitant to use AI camp. So let's first start with the using AI badly camp. The first thing that people are doing is they're literally like they're rushing. You have to make sure you read every word of the output that comes from AI and give it kind of your stamp of approval before you go send it to a teammate. Because the last thing you want is your teammate to come back to you and say, did you use AI to generate this? Because what they're also saying, what they're not saying because they're being nice, is like, this has some obvious errors that I would have assumed you wouldn't have put into the doc. And like that, it almost seems worse. Like they're saying you're smart, but what you sent me isn't so smart. So why are you wasting my time with that? And it starts to chip away at your own credibility. And so what I find is that everything that the AI sends you, you need to give it a couple more rounds of feedback because, again, it doesn't have your brain. And so even after I give it a good prompt and I've done the first 20%, I always recommend doing 3 to 4 rounds of feedback with it. Like, hey, this was good. You got these 3 things right, but these 5 things could be improved. Putting types of prompts like that 3 or 4 times, that's when you really get to a nice AI output. And so making sure that you're being iterative about your AI and also making sure that you're editing everything. That's what I think the over-reliant group is messing up on. And then the hesitant group, as a hesitant to use AI, I think you're smart, right? If you're able to do all of your work today, then go for it. If you're not feeling burnt out, then go for it. But there are so few PMs I've met who are like, yeah, 100% of my to-do list I'm doing. Like, no, in reality, like 30% of our to-do list we're never even getting to. So if this can help you get to 15% more of your to-do list, wouldn't that make you yourself feel less anxious? Like ultimately what I'm trying to say is like, you're going to feel better and you're going to perform better in your job.